In this video, I'm going to show you how to get more out of your trial data by using trial settings. If you don't know how we got to this point, visit our tutorial on trial data basics. To access trial settings, we are going to click on the settings icon in the top right. Here you can see we have access to various settings related to the way we will view and interact with the trial data. The first option you'll notice is the standards toggle. This allows us to view the data in its raw stored value, or when standards are turned on, in its descriptive representation, such as tuber shape is round or long instead of a 2 or 5. If you find the extra empty columns to be distracting from seeing the relevant data, you can simply turn on Hide Empty Columns. Another option you have to hiding and displaying columns is down at the bottom of Trial Settings, under the section Data Field Visibility. Just simply uncheck the data fields you want to hide and check the ones you want to display. Each trial can have check varieties defined, which allows you to easily identify the varieties that you are comparing all the other varieties to. To make a check variety comparison across several years, simply turn on Check Average and select the trial year range. You'll notice now in the footer of our trial data table, we have the average values of our check varieties. Lastly, we've provided another way to view your data, and that's through the visualization of charts. Let's change the trial data view to chart. The first thing we need to do is select a data field. Let's pick specific gravity. You will notice the data displayed is the same data we were just looking at in the tabular view. You can select how you want your chart rendered. First, let's pick an x-axis type. We'll keep the default variety group by trials selected, but let's change our chart type to line. You'll notice our chart is currently sorted by variety, but we want to see a nice progression from the lowest specific gravity to the highest. So let's go ahead and select under Order Chart By, Average Ascending. Great, so this gets us started with charts. But we can do more. Let's change the chart type back to bar and select another trial. Notice we still have our chart sorted by the average ascending. But what if you want to see the average line? No problem. Down at the bottom under Show Average, you can select Visible. These are just a few of the chart options you have available to view your data. You can adjust different settings based on the data set you have selected and how you want to represent your data.